Hi guys, we're going to talk a little bit about the compare and contrast text structure. When you're comparing or contrasting two things, you are telling how two things are similar or how they are the same. Those words are synonyms for each other. When we're talking about contrast, we're talking about how two things are different, what differences they might have. This list off to the side in red is a list of words you might find in a compare-contrast paragraph that help you know that they're telling how they're the same and different. The paragraph might have words like similarly, as well as alike, in common. To tell how they are different, it might use words like in contrast, on the other hand, however, but, unlike, different. We're going to look at a sample paragraph from Chapter 2 of your book. I'm going to read the paragraph out loud to you, and then we're going to look for some of those clue words that are in it. We knew we played a different brand of baseball from what they played in the majors, but our games were fast, flashy, and more exciting. But we didn't really know how much rougher we were until some of our guys went up to the majors. Major league games were nicer, with a lot of rules to keep the players safe. However, everything was legal to do in our games. We could do whatever it took to win, even if a player got hurt. Now we're looking for clue words that tell us this is a compare-contrast text structure. The first one that we can see is in this first sentence up here. We knew we played a different brand of baseball. What word do you see? That is a clue word for compare-contrast. I hope you notice the word different. And I'm going to highlight that in a light blue color. All right, different brand of baseball from what they played in the majors. Our games were fast, flashy, and more exciting. But that's a clue word to show that they are going to tell how it is different. But we didn't really know how much rougher until some of our guys went up to the majors. Major league games were nicer with a lot of rules to keep the players safe. However, again, however is going to show how they are different. Those are the three clue words we can find in this paragraph. And for the yellow text box at the bottom, the text structure is compare and contrast. On the next slide, you're going to be asked to find the clue words for yourself. You're being asked to highlight all the words just like I did in the paragraph on slide 8. And you're being asked to tell what the text structure is down here at the bottom. All right, it's your turn.